Samsung allegedly started making components for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 earlier this month. And per a new rumor, the South Korean company has kicked off mass production of the device. The scoop comes from leaker Max Weinbach, who adds that the Galaxy Z Flip 3 has also entered production. Weinbach claims that manufacturing began Monday, which suggests the devices are ahead of schedule, considering an earlier leak that said production would commence in July. Samsung apparently aims to churn out 25,000 units a day, with one source claiming the manufacturing target is over 50,000 units a day. Samsung reportedly sold between 3.5 million and 2.5 million foldable smartphones in 2020 and this year. It hopes to sell between 6 and 7 million units combined of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Flip 3. Samsung aims to sell 4 million Galaxy Z Flip 3 units and 3 million Fold 3 units. Apparently, production will not be split evenly, as Samsung expects demand for the Z Flip 3 to be higher. The current generation flip phone has seemingly also proven more popular than the Z Fold 2. The figure is quite low when compared to flagship Galaxy S and Note series phones. To be more specific, components volume for the Fold 3 was said to be a third of what Samsung usually orders for its premium phones. For even more perspective, Note range sales used to exceed 10 million units annually. Samsung's cautious approach is merited, given that foldable devices are yet to take off. To that end, the company will likely sell the upcoming phones at relatively lower prices. The new devices could be up to 20% more affordable than the current foldable lineup, and if this leak pans out, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will start at around $1,599 and the Z Flip 3 will go for $959. The new foldable phones and Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch Active 4 watches will supposedly be unveiled on August 3rd and they will hit the shelves later in the month. Let's look at the Galaxy Z Fold 3 specs. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 is highly likely to feature an under-panel selfie camera, and although its performance is said to be on par with conventional cameras, it will not be perfectly hidden. The device is also expected to support the S Pen stylus, but it is unlikely to come with a dedicated compartment for storing the pen. Other rumored specs include the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset, at least 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of non-expandable storage. A 7.55 inches main screen, a 6.21 inches cover display, a 4380 mAh battery with 25W charging, and Android 11. We think it will be one of the best phones of 2021. Now talking about Galaxy Z Flip 3 specs. The biggest upgrades presumably coming to the Flip 3 are a bigger cover display and a 120Hz main screen. It will likely also be powered by the Snapdragon 888 and flaunt a new rear design and slimmer bezels. What do you think of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3? Please let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos every day.